dangerous criminal was trying to escape from the police. He was quite stubborn until he encountered this white pickup truck. Thanks to the courage and determination of the driver, the criminal finally surrendered. The man's climbing mishap left him trapped in a hill crevice for 45 hours, during which time the Indian Army, BMC, and National Disaster Response Force collaborated to execute his rescue. Without the kindness of these individuals, the car owner would have struggled immensely to repair it. Encountering an unforeseen situation on the road, this man promptly halted his car and extended assistance to the other individual in need. Thanks to the considerate driver, the blind man was able to safely navigate across the road. The world would be truly wonderful if we helped each other like this. Although there isn't a ramp available, the presence of two kind police officers ensures that the disabled person can safely descend the stairs. Even soldiers with intimidating appearances can display kindness and gentleness when dealing with children. This is evidence of the miracle of humanity and the capability of people when we face danger to protect and save vulnerable beings. With the help of an ingenious tool, these individuals successfully freed a poor kitten whose head was trapped between metal bars. Guanabana, the baby sloth, faced danger when trapped between rocks during low tide. Dirk heard his cries, rescued him, and took him to an animal rescue center. Now Guanabana is thriving. These genuine emotions are captured as the Turkish soccer player learns of his selection to the national team. How would you feel if a stranger paid your entire bill for you? For the homeless, this water bottle holds significant value. Remember, kindness costs nothing. Let's continue to spread it around. A collective of volunteers pooled their resources to purchase a new wheelchair for the boy, replacing his walking aid and greatly improving his mobility.
Yes. Yeah.
In Philadelphia, a pizza shop owner created a clever plan to help the homeless. Customers can buy $1 Post-its, leave a message, and stick them on the wall. Homeless people can take a Post-it for a free slice of pizza. Fellow students showed overwhelming support for a Ukrainian exchange student by decorating the wall with a Ukrainian flag, cards, well wishes, and drawings featuring her family members' names. This display of solidarity and empathy was tremendous. During a storm, as roads rapidly flooded, a dog faced imminent danger. Hearing its desperate cries, some individuals rushed out and rescued the dog just in time, preventing it from being swept away by the rising water. Animals indeed deserve our kindness, and simple acts of compassion like this can significantly improve the world around us.
No, I can't. No. Oh my god, there's little tiny bodies.
And this little homeless kitten's loud cries for help caught the attention of humans, who then granted it a second chance at life. With the team trailing by 2 points, this shot secured victory for them in the final seconds of the match. In the midst of a tennis match, one of the players misstepped, injuring his ankle. Without hesitation, his opponent rushed over to offer assistance. During the COVID quarantine, a trainer organized fitness sessions for neighboring residents. It's unfortunate I don't have a neighbor who'd do the same. This tennis player conveyed respect for his partner in a unique and compelling manner.
It's over!
LeBron James exhibited a raw and powerful display of emotions following the legendary NBA Finals in 2016.
Delivers on his promise. This is for you!
Who would have expected that the opponent of the injured tennis player would offer such touching consolation, as she was forced to leave the competition due to an ankle injury? Every morning, these elephants eagerly run to greet their human friend, expressing their affection and friendship in a heartwarming display.
And he's soft. He's very small. Oh my gosh.
It's surprising to discover just how gentle giraffes can be.
Oh my god, I'm dying.
The scene resembles that of a grandmother lovingly giving gifts to her grandchildren. Have you ever seen anything cuter than this cat politely asking for some milk? That Detroit goalie showcased incredible reflexes, snatching the puck from the air with his hand to prevent the opposing team from scoring. With a gentleman's flower, you can charm any girl. The world would be truly wonderful if we all helped each other like this. The next time your food arrives a tad later than expected, please don't be disheartened. Our delivery team might be out there, lending a helping hand to someone in need. It's not easy to give away something we cherish, but this boy thought more about others' feelings than his own. What a gentleman. Despite the life-altering accident in 2020 that left him quadriplegic, this resilient individual found unwavering support from his friends, who went above and beyond by taking him for a ride on a jet ski, defying the limitations imposed by his condition.
out here on the jizz.
Their kindness extends beyond simply warming cold cows. It also warms their own hearts in the process. In a heart-wrenching twist, a cat was abandoned in the trash by its heartless owner. Just before facing certain doom in the trash-cutting machine, a worker at the waste sorting plant intervened, miraculously saving its life. During the pandemic's turmoil, an anonymous act of generosity occurred when a stranger bought 500 face masks and delivered them to a Chinese police station before disappearing. While issuing a fine for public alcohol consumption, a police officer witnessed an unexpected act of kindness from fellow students. They promptly began contributing cash to settle the fine, demonstrating remarkable goodwill that anyone would commend. When a homeless man humbly requested a bit of assistance, he received an overwhelming outpouring of support far beyond anything he could have imagined. In our midst, there are always individuals facing challenging circumstances. It's essential to extend a helping hand to everyone in need. Imagine the wonder on this little girl's face as she found herself standing face to face with none other than Shaggy, a beloved Scooby-Doo character. Now, thanks to the generosity of others, the homeless man can rest assured knowing he won't have to endure the cold alone anymore. Marvel at the compassionate ingenuity of this kind-hearted individual who created an ingenious feeder specifically designed for homeless dogs. Observe the remarkable interaction as this carp fearlessly approaches a person, gently asking for food and accepting it directly from their hands. Amidst the stream of passers-by, who seemed oblivious to the plight of a hungry dog and her puppies, the compassionate gaze of one woman was drawn to their desperate situation. Witness the tender act of kindness as this woman pays a visit to a kangaroo residing in an animal rescue facility. Look at how happy the dogs are to see their owner. Marvel at the heartwarming initiative of children pooling their resources to buy a scooter for a disabled veteran, ensuring he can navigate the world with greater ease and independence.
Wow, thank you.
This man's wife gifted him a cherished connection beyond life, an image of his late father holding his newborn daughter. It bridged generations and offered solace amidst loss. Believe it or not, it wasn't a costume party. It was window cleaners at a children's hospital dressing as superheroes. The kids must have been thrilled seeing real-life superheroes outside their windows.
Hey, you awake?
Hey, man.
Struggling on the streets with his son, this man relocated to a new town seeking work and shelter. A compassionate stranger provided $1,000 and covered a week-long hotel stay to help them get back on their feet.
Is by giving you $1,000.
Man, you gotta be freaking kidding me now. Thank you so much, man.
The homeless man was given a bath, new clothes, and food by compassionate individuals, and this act of kindness should be extended everywhere. The gift from his fiancée resembles their deceased dog, who passed away due to cancer. Now, he can always feel the presence of their beloved pet by his side. This is likely the most heartwarming reunion I've witnessed with a brother returning from the army. Goodness is an endless source of motivation, making each of our actions more meaningful and valuable than ever. By spreading love and sharing, we can change not only our own lives but also those of others around us. Let's together create a positive wave and step forward on the path of unity and sharing. Please like and subscribe to the channel to spread beautiful values together and create goodness in this world. Thank you for being part of this mission.